This is Biotronix class 4 laser therapy device. This is physiotherapy laser and class 4, and that's not the class 3, it's the class 4. The power is 10 watt and the wavelength is 980 nanometer. So you can see the device looks like that. This is the main device with the touch screen. This is the emergency switch. This is the key on off switch, and you can see that this is the probe, this is the applicator, this is how applicator looks like that. You can see the quality of the product. This is 10 watt diode, and this is the button on the probe, and these are the two attachments. If the doctor want to use the same from a far area from the skin like this, if the doctor is using like this, he can use like this, or the doctor wants the same away from the same, he can put the same on this probe and can use like this. So this is the attachment 1, and this is the attachment. This is the you can see the quality of the product. This is the lens attachment, and this is the USB cable, and these are the protection glasses. You can see these are the protection glasses, professional protection glasses, 800 nanometer to 1100 nanometer. So this is one for the patient, one for the doctor, and this is the case for the protection glass. There are two cases, and these are the box for the whole equipment. You can see that the whole equipment can be placed in the same aluminum box. You can put the same like this in that condition also. Also you can use the same to carry one from one place to another using this handle and all. And there are wheels at the base. So this is the quality of the product. You can see. Thank you for watching.